Welcome to this session of Root 200 Quant questions. N is the smallest number which gives the remainder 2 when divided by 5, 6 and 7. So to give a remainder 2 when divided by 5, 6, 7, find the LCM of 5, 6, 7. Since they are co-prime, the LCM will be 5 into 6 into 7. 6 5 are 30, 37s are 210. So multiple of 210 and remainder 2, that means you add 2. So 212. So is 212 divisible by 8? You will realize that 212 is not divisible by 8. So next, multiple of, so 420 plus 2, 422, again not divisible by 8. 22 is not divisible by 8, so not divisible by 4, so 630 plus 2, 632. 632 is divisible by 8. Okay, 632 is divisible by 8. So that means the product of digits of n, that is 6 into 3 into 2. 6 is a 18, 18 2 is a 36, so answer will be D option. A couple goes for morning jog every day. The husband goes for jogging and is followed 10 minutes by wife and their dog. So wife runs at 8 km per hour and man at 6 km per hour. So if man goes at 6 km per hour, so in 10 minutes it will cover speed, distance equal to speed into time. So speed is 6 km per hour, time is 10 upon 60, which gives you 1 kilometer. Now, to cover this 1 kilometer, how much the wife will take? The time taken by wife to cover this 1 kilometer, distance upon relative speed. So distance is 1 kilometer, relative speed between the man and the wife is 2 kilometers per hour. So which is half an hour. So half an hour they take to meet. In half an hour, the dog will cover how much distance? The distance covered again is speed into time, which is 15 kilometers per hour. The dog speed into time of half will give you 7.5 kilometers. 100 liters of milk has to be diluted with the following process. So first 20 liters of milk is removed and replaced with water. So you have 100 liters of milk, you're removing 20 liters. So how much is left is 80 liters of milk. Then 10 liters are removed. 10 liters means 10% is removed. 10% means 8 is removed. But you're replacing with milk, so you're adding 10 liters milk. So you get 82 liters milk. Then again 10 liters is removed, that means 10%. When you're removing 10 liters, you're removing 10% of 100. So 10% of milk also is removed, 8.2 liters. And again you're putting milk, 10 liters. So this becomes 83.8. Finally you're removing 20 liters of liquid, that means you're removing 20%. So 20% is just double whatever the value is. 8 to the 16, 3 to 7 and 16, 7. So it becomes 17.76. This is 0.4 and this will become 67. So it becomes 67.04. Right? So if you calculate this 20%, so if you look at this 16.76, sorry, so you'll get 67.04. That's the answer, B option. Just focus on milk, you'll get the answer here. So here three sides are given, 3x plus 6y. Calculate becomes 3x plus 2y. Even the second side, if I calculate 4x plus 2y. The third, if I calculate, I can take 5 common, x plus 2y, but there's still one more x out here. There's 5x, if I take 5x plus 10y plus x, so 5 common. So we look at 3, 4, 5 is a right angle triangle, triplet. So if I take only so much, it's a right angle triangle. But the hypotenuse is bigger than that. When the hypotenuse is bigger, so it's a right angle triangle 3, 4, 5. But the hypotenuse is bigger than 5 because of plus x. So it has to be an obtuse angle triangle, B option. That is the answer. So whenever you have right angle triangle, look out for triplets. See if it satisfies triplets. Then there you can get the answer. 4 women and 2 men can do a piece of work in 20 days. And 2 women and 4 men can do the piece of work in 25 days. Let's look at the LCM method. So LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. Let's say 100 units of work. So here they do 5 units of work, here 4 units of work. If I add it, 6 women and 6 men will do 9 units of work. Or you can say 1 woman and 1 man will do 1.5 units of work. 9 upon 6 is 1.5. Now if I want a man how much work to do, So 4 women, 2 men minus 2 women, 2 men. This is 5 units of work. This is nothing but 3 units of work. Because 1 woman, 1 man does 1.5 units. So 2 women, 2 men will do 3 units. So 2 women does 2 units of work. So 1 woman will do 1 unit of work. Same effect create a second condition. 2 men, 4 men do 4 units of work. And 2 men, 2 men do 3 units of work. So subtract, so 2 men will do 1 unit of work. So 1 man will do 0.5 unit of work. Now if I calculate 3 women and 4 men, 3 women plus 4 men will do how much work? 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0.5, which is 5 units of work. So if they do 5 units of work every day, to complete 100 units of work, they will take 100 upon 5, which is 20 days. A option. So LCM, there are other ways of solving this. I just went through the LCM method just to make you understand how LCM method is used out here. So LCM is 100, and from there you can find out the amount of work done by each of them. Right? So 6 women, 6 men, you get 9 units. From that 1 woman, 1 man, and then you try to find out all the other relationship. Thank you.